Hello everyone, and let's do another grammar video. We shall look at tenses and we shall look at their structure and forms, and we shall focus on the past tense. So this is the first video of tense. Let's get started. So the structure and form of past tense goes as follows. So past simple has one verb form. How do you do it? You put the noun or the pronoun or the subject. I will not put subject now because that is more confusing. You need to have much more information, much more knowledge about grammar, or in grammar rather, to understand what subject actually means. So that is all for very advanced stages. So I never use subject. It just confuses everyone. Just noun or pronoun. The first noun or the first pronoun of the sentence and the past form of the verb. That gives you the simple past tense, one verb form only. Remember, like I said, the verbs have to follow each other. Like here, there are two verb forms. So let's see how we do past continuous or past progressive. Noun plus noun or pronoun plus was or were, depending on the pronoun, and the present participle. And past perfects, again two verb forms, the noun, the pronoun, had, plus the past participle of the verb. And finally, past perfect continuous or past perfect progressive. Three verb forms. Which ones? The noun and the pronoun, okay. Then we get had, good. Then we put been, alright. Then we put the present participle. Okay, now we shall look at some examples. If you want, pause this video and just look at this structure and form again. Okay. The simple past. Okay, remember it has one verb form, and you just put the noun and the pronoun and the past form of the verb. Okay, number one, she did it. That's all. She is the pronoun, did is the past form of do, and did it. Okay, what is it? We'll do all that stuff later. We're just doing the structure and the form. Number two, I told her to do it. Again, I told, simple past. My friend went to the zoo. My friend is what? He or she. It can be anything. It can be he or she, whatever you want. Went to the zoo. So he went to the zoo or she went to the zoo. She went, he went. The hare lost the race. The hare, it lost the race. And we baked a cake. We baked a cake. So that was all simple. So you can see it had one noun or a pronoun and the past form of the verb. Now we go into past continuous or past progressive. It has two verb forms. Past continuous, two verb forms. The noun and the pronoun plus was or were and the present participle. Okay, she was doing it. Was and doing. Present participle of do is doing. I was telling her to do it. I was telling her. Past continuous. My friend was going to the zoo, or he was going to the zoo, or she was going to the zoo, whatever you want. The hare was losing the race. It was losing the race. When I last saw it, or when I last heard the story, whatever. We were baking a cake. We were baking. What were you doing? We were baking a cake. So that was past continuous. Now we shall see the past perfect. Again, two verb forms. Past perfect. Two verb forms. Noun, pronoun, had, and past participle. She had done it. I had told her to do it. My friend had gone to the zoo. She had gone to the zoo. He had gone to the zoo. The hare had lost the race. We had baked a cake. Had plus past participle. Past participle of do is done. Past participle of tell is told. Past participle of go is gone. Past participle of lose is lost. And past participle of bake is baked. And finally, past perfect continuous. Three verb form, just like the tense. Past perfect continuous. 1, 2, 3. So 3 verb forms. Noun pronoun had been, present participle. She had been doing it. Had been doing. I had been telling her to do it. Had been telling. My friend had been going to the zoo. Had been going. The hare had been losing the race. It had been losing. We had been baking a cake. Had been and baking. Then it is the past perfect continuous. If you remove the be or the been, is it the past perfect continuous now? No, it is not. Hence, always pay attention to that. And finally, please watch these other videos. I've put all the links in the description below. Thank you for watching this one. I shall see you in the next one.